My name is Aaron Gaynor. I'm the owner and CEO of Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. And my mission is really to bring people into the trades. The trade saved my life. It gave me an opportunity that I never would have had. And we just want to find ways to give back to the trade, give back to our community. So I get asked a lot, why did you start at Eco University? And for me, it's because I wanted to give back to the trades. And I know for most of the team it is that. We start to look around and say, all right, in the trade industry, there's just a shortage. I mean, there's just a shortage. I saw it when I came into the trades, and it's been great to see. We're able to create trade people into the industry that work for Eco. And even if for some reason they don't end up working here and they have this skill, they take it on with them. And to think that we're gonna have a big enough impact at some point of potentially graduating hundreds of people, knowing that your legacy may leave behind this many new trade people to an industry that has saved my life and has created a lot of opportunity for me and lots of people at Eco and many other people in the trades in general. It's just an amazing thought and feeling.